Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Java loops can be tricky, but we will solve this fast. We need to find which method call prints exactly 0 and 10. Let's go. The method prints numbers that are divisible by both the second parameter and 2. We need the loop to reach 10, so the first parameter must be strictly greater than 10. Looking at option D, we use 20 and 5. The loop checks every integer from 0 up to 19. It prints 0 because 0 is divisible by 5 and also even. Next, it skips to 10, the next even multiple of 5. Since the loop stops at 19, we reach our final answer. Well done! Scan now, avoid the rush, and watch signs. Trust the given code and check steps. Option D is our big winner today.